Today, I'll show you more than just how to make one video in HeyGen. I'll show you how to take one idea and turn it into 3 ready-to-use business videos. First, a product explainer for your website and sales. Second, a short social media clip for Reels or Shorts. Third, an educational or onboarding video for your team or clients. If it's important to you to not just create content, but to build a process so company videos are made quickly and systematically, stay tuned.
Wait, so this is more for teams then, right?
Yes, exactly. This episode isn't about a pretty toy, it's about the workflow. Today, we'll look at why the same idea should exist in 3 formats and where companies waste time on video. I'll show you a workflow in HeyGen. Explainer, social education. Which HeyGen features help you work faster? Templates, duplicates, formats, brand kits, variations. And at the end, who needs this and how to implement HeyGen as a system.
So it won't just be theory for theory's sake, but a real how-to?
Yeah, I'll show everything on screen step by step. Okay, let's go. I'll take one case, a hypothetical SaaS product, an AI analytics tool. My goal right now isn't to make it look pretty, but to quickly build 3 versions for 3 business tasks. The first thing we need to do is go to the tab on the left, select Tools, and then choose Product Placement. Here, I'll need to upload a photo of our product and the avatar that will be doing the voiceover for it. It should be a clear, engaging look from your avatar. And we'll choose an avatar with a clearly visible face to read your voiceover. Let's start generating. Please note that I've prepared the scripts. For 5 scenes, meaning one scene is one thought, to show where companies are actually losing money. Because they always start with design and effects, but you should start with logic and structure. So the skeleton is key, and everything else is built on later. A few tips regarding product placement generation. So once the avatar image with our product was generated, I selected it and immediately chose the model, VO 3.1. I just want to show the difference between Avatar 4 and VO 3.1. Here in the scenes, I use a prompt to describe what the avatar should do. For example, they're holding a tablet and talking about the product. So we write 5 scenes, 1 scene equals 1 idea. After that, we choose a suitable voice using the slider and generate the video. Now let's see what we got. Teams lose hours every week to manual reporting and messy spreadsheets. Upload your dataset, get dashboards instantly, and make faster decisions. Our product ensures fewer mistakes, leading directly to quicker decisions and significantly higher team productivity across the board. Oh, start your free trial today and see your first insights in minutes. Now, let's put together the second generation with a short script and fewer scenes, without rewriting it from scratch. So now I need a version for social media, and without overcomplicating it, I'm just making it shorter and keeping only 4 elements: hook, pane, solution, CTA. Let's go back to product placement, select our SaaS product, choose an avatar, let's use a different voice, and generate the scene. I'm choosing the avatar that works best for me. In this case, we'll generate it using the Avatar 4 model from HeyGen and see what we get. Let's select the resolution format. You can choose a voice, for example, from our library, or one that you want to upload yourself. Let's select professional instruction. This is where we input the prompt for the movements, the custom movements for our avatar. Now we're setting up the custom movements for our avatar. We choose a prompt, either by writing it ourselves or by selecting one from the list. I am selecting Generate Professional Instruction. For the avatar generation, it'll cost us 14 credits. Still wasting hours on reports? Our AI tool gives insights in minutes. Try it now. And finally, we're going to create an educational onboarding for the client team using the third type of product placement generation. I've selected our product again, but I've chosen a different avatar. In the Avatar 4 model, I'm pasting the script along with all the voiceover that I need for this version, and I'm also entering a custom motion prompt here. Let's start the generation. I'm picking a voice from my library. Okay, and generate. I want to point out that I'm putting together the third version for training. A calm pace, less marketing, more instructions. This is the third version. Education is a video that takes the pressure off the team. New customer onboarding, new employee onboarding, support customer success. The structure is as simple as possible. What this product is, how to get started, the first steps, where to find help and answers. And in this script, we'll see in the examples how it's going to sound. This is where scaling begins. You don't explain the same thing manually. You just send a video and the process speeds up.
The third version is education. This type of video is used for onboarding customers, training new employees, and helping support teams. The structure is very simple. First, what the product is. Second, how to start. Third, where to get help. Welcome to the AI analytics tool. Here is how to upload your first dataset. If you have questions, check the help center or contact support. This is where scaling starts. You don't explain the same thing again and again. You give the video and the process becomes faster. Look, most companies have the exact same problem. The idea's there, the product's there, but video takes forever because it's turned into a full production. The crew, the schedule, approvals, editing, and you end up with one video when you need at least 3. Explainer, social, and education. And this is where HeyGen comes in. It's not just about video, it's about communication you can automate.
So, HeyGen is like a production pipeline?
Yeah, that's exactly how I see it.
One project and you've got an ad.
Now let's look at the big picture. With this workflow, video isn't a complex project anymore. Marketing gets clips fast, sales gets clear product explainers, and support gets fewer questions and tickets. Onboarding is faster, and agencies can scale without the need for filming and production. And the key takeaway is, HeyGen turns video from a creative headache into an operational process.
So a small team can basically function like a mini studio?
Yes, if you have a system. And that system is exactly what a workflow is. When you have templates, duplicates, formats, and a brand kit, videos are made quickly, predictably, and without chaos. So 1 idea, 3 videos, 1 workflow. Product explainers, social, and education. And you can build all of this inside HeyGen, so video stops being a one-off task and becomes part of the process. If you're at an agency or in-house team and want to implement this as a system, join our personal talk. We'll cover how to build a workflow, set up templates, use a brand kit, and create video sets. For products, companies, and marketing. Link in the description. And yes, it's no longer just AI video, it's an AI workflow.
The next level is AI marketing as a system.
Exactly. Comment below on which business you want to build a scheme for. 1 idea, 3 videos, explainer, social, education, and I'll show you how to set it up.